Hi guys, welcome back on Tech 8. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems. Whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide, we have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to fix slow download speed on Telegram. First of all, you can open the Telegram application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the chat section at the bottom middle of the screen, and I can tell you if you download something in your Telegram account and the picture or media is downloading very slow, you can just simply first check the internet connection by swipe down at the top of the screen, and here you can check your internet signal. If your internet connection is not stable, the reason of the issue is your internet, and if the internet is stable, you can just simply go to the App Store or Play Store, and here you can just simply search Telegram and make sure that you updated the latest version of Telegram. And if you can't update, you can update here by tapping on update. After updating, the issue is solved, and if the issue is not solved, you can just simply uninstall the Telegram and restart your device. After restarting your device, you can just simply again reinstall the Telegram, and after this the issue is 100% solved. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.